Hey everyone, it's Stacy Cleveland. Um, I am in my third semester here at Widener, and I'm particularly interested in this course because older adults is something that I have the least experience in with this population. So I'm really looking forward to techniques and working with them as well as watching the videos and just gaining as much knowledge as I can about how to assist the older adult population. And so I currently work for the ARC, which is Achievement Reunification Center, and we do case management for parents that have children in out of home placement. I particularly wanted this course because I don't have that much experience in working with older adults, and I don't today see me working with older adults specifically. However, I'm sure in my course throughout my career, I will have to engage um, in families that have older adults. So this class I feel will prepare me for that type of interaction, and I'll have some tools to use that could also be of assistance to them, along with resources that they could use as well.